1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 should do it. I'm gonna do a three-piece combo, just like in my first example. So first I'm gonna put down the item frames, and I'm gonna put in the redstone torches in the item frames. And then I need something to read those item frames, so I'm going to put down comparators on the opposite side of the wall. You can see they're already turning on because there's an item in the item frame. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pick the combo that I want to actually use. So here I'm going to turn this one that way. I'm going to go maybe down and to the right, and then to the left. Sure. So I'm going to pick my combo, and that's going to be the first step of actually building the lock. Now at this point I'm going to add a bunch of wool here, and I'll probably be deleting some of this wool later, but I'm going to add all this wool so that I can see what the current redstone output of each of these signals is. So I'm going to basically just place things until I see dust that's off. So this dust is off. I can go ahead and break everything so that only the dust that's on is remaining. This one was a bit longer. I rotated it a bit more. I'll even have to add more of these blocks out here. And yeah, so I can get rid of these two blocks because the redstone dust was off, and it can be kind of hard to see if you're not used to it. I work with redstone a lot, but you can see there's no particles coming off of this one. That means it's off. It's a little bit hard to tell just based on color, but the particles always tell. And then here we'll do the same thing. Okay, so this one is off. Delete these. I'm going to add a red block at the end of each of these, just like I have over in the example circuit over here. And we'll put a piece of redstone dust up there as well. Now I'm going to put a redstone torch on the side of the last green wool block on each of these lines. And also just like the circuit over there. And then I'm also going to put down a couple blocks at the end of these, and this is going to house the repeater, which tests if the signal strength is too large. And so now you can see we've just built the sample circuit three times. So do it like that. And since the combo is right, all of these are going to be off right now. So basically, if I rotate this one at all, you'll see the output here turns on. And so, but if it's set to that exact value pointing to the left like we had it, it'll be off. So we have the combo programmed in. Now at this point, all we have to do is connect all of this redstone dust and the outputs together. So I'll just do that, and then I need this one connected as well. I guess we can just do it like this. It doesn't really matter how I connect it, as long as the distance between the farthest piece of redstone dust and wherever you're trying to get the signal to is less than 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's just go ahead and add a repeater here. And that'll make sure that no matter what, the outputs of any of these lines is going to make it to where we want it to go. I'm going to put a door here. Now I'm using a cool trick here. You'll notice that I placed the door kind of facing this way. So right now the door is actually closed technically, but from here it looks like it's open, and which way is open and which way is closed is a matter of opinion on tours. But with the current way we have it, it's unpowered. Now if I actually go ahead and power this line, you'll see it powers this block, which is next to the door. So the door will close when it's powered, and it'll open when it's unpowered. From this point of view, from the point of view of where I placed it, it's gonna open when it's powered and open when it's powered and close when it's unpowered. Anyway, so now we've built the combo log. This is actually done. If I go ahead and reset it, okay, I'll have to remember. Okay, it says bottom left, bottom right, left. Okay, so let's just go ahead and reset these back to default. Okay, so now I go, okay, this is bottom left, bottom right, and yeah, okay.